Hudson. At Mullen, pas hyfryd. Mullen yn edrych am rhedeg gan Byrne. Byrne! Yn taro postyn dros y llinell. Ac i gefn y rhwyd. A mae'r ymwelwyr ar y blaen. Y gôl gynnar. Yr oedd Sean Erdlin i hofni o fewn y 3 munud cynta. Nick Bold wedi giro. Byrne a'i 9fed gôl y tymor hwn. A mae'r ymwelwyr ar y blaen. Pas gan Hudson. Ac yna'n hyfryd yn rhannu yr amddiffyn gan Jamie Mullen, y cyffyrddiad bach gan Curtis Byrne. Taro'r postyn, gefn y rwyd, y Seintiau ar y blaen. Redmond. Mullen. Byrne yn ceisio dal i dir rhag camsefyll. Mullen. Yn o le'r ochr bella gan Sislevich. Rwy'n sy'n hwyr ond sydd yn dydi y Seintiau yn y ger uchaf. Mariat, y peniad gan Byrne! O'n fflachio heibio'r postyn, symudiad campus unwaith eto. Curtis Byrne mor agos at yr ail. Dyma Jamie Mullen, Sislevich yn ceisio amseru i rediad. Sislevich, mae Mullen i fewn yn y cwrdd, mae Byrne yna hefyd. Sislevich angen yr cymorth, yr ergyd gan Routledge! Mi gyfodd i wiriad. Dim gobaith o gwbl i Nick Bold. Y Seintiau yn dyblu'r fantais. 38 o funudau wedi chwarae. John Routledge i gôl gynta y tymor hwn i'r Seintiau newydd. Sislevich yn ei gosod ti. O do, dwi'n meddwl Jamie Crowther drodd i gefn. A mi wirodd hi heibio i Bold i gornel y rhwyd. Caernarfon dim, y Seintiau newydd 2, Redmond. Thomas Benben efo Spender, y chwarae'n parhaid, ond ddim trosedd yn ôl o dyfarnwr Darren Thomas. Mae'n gyfle fan hyn i Caernarfon. Thomas yn dal i fynd, cyflym yr ergyd, Darren Thomas! O, na chi ergyd, arbediad ar ddercho, Gareth Evans oedd yna. Mae'n ôl at Nathan Craig! Arbediad rhagorol unwaith eto, a'r cliriad gan Redmond yn acrobataidd. O, Darren Thomas yn ei chanol i. Mi ath o heibio i Routledge, mi ath o heibio i Redmond, arbediad gwych gan Harrison. Ac yna Nathan Craig, wel, bwled o ergyd, a mi oedd hwnna'n well. Arbediad dybiau i Mullen. Mullen. Yn ôl at Routledge, dyma Brobl lle ti allan at Whitehouse, fan ta Whitehouse, mae Draper ar y postyn pella'n cael ei blismona gan Gareth Edwards. O, Draper, dyna hi! Dyna'r gôl sydd yn mynd â Greg Draper i 19 o goliau y tymor hwn. Billy Whitehouse yn cael ei longyfarch. Croesiad campus gan y bachgen ifanc, y bêl fymryn dros ben Gareth Edwards. A Greg Draper yn ei gwneud ti'n 2-0. Whitehouse. Oedd o'n edrych am Jamie Mullen, dyna lle oedd o eisiau ei ffatio hi, ond mi rwysgwyd o gan Noah Edwards. Dyma Redmond ar ergyd, o na chi arbediad! O, campus gan Nick Bold. Yr hyder gan Daniel Redmond i fentro o bell. Yr arbediad gan Bold yn wych.
After scoring in the first 4 minutes, I thought we'd go on to dominate that first half, but I wasn't happy with the first half. I went in and said, you know, that's not acceptable. That's not the way we've been playing in the last 2 months. So I think they're a little bit surprised, and you know, okay, we're up and we're doing okay, but it's the standards weren't set there. So overall, very happy. Second half as well, and it was comfortable towards the end. Nice for some, you know, our new signing Billy to come on and get minutes, and Greg another goal. I think that puts him one ahead in the charts as well. So it's always nice for Greg to come off and score. But overall, very pleased with the points and the clean sheet.
And you're back on top of the table, just
for
the time being.
Yeah, it's been a long time, and we're even games now. So it's down to us to stay there to the end of the season.
A team like TNS, if you switch off for that millisecond, they're going to punish you. And I think Connah's Quay can be in that same bracket as well. And we have. Everyone's stuck to their jobs. But when you're conceding a goal after 2 or 3 minutes, it's, you know, all the preparation sort of it goes out the window, like, in a way. We've reacted really well after the goal, I felt. Then obviously the second one come, but it's come from a similar sort of position, Bryn. The second half, we've addressed it at half time. Some people have held their hands up, like, to be fair, but it's an uphill task. You're 2-0 down against the champions, against the full-time boys. And then they bring on the lad Whitehouse there, shown great feet and done really well. When he come on, nice little bit of skill past Rye, stands it up for Greg Draper, and there's only one outcome there. But I'm really proud of my players' efforts. We didn't down tools. That's what we said at the start. It was going to be difficult, extremely difficult, whether the game remained 0-0 or we were 3-0 down. But we stuck to the task. I've just said to them there, we've got to dust ourselves down, dissect the game in the change rooms now. But when we prepare now on Wednesday for Friday, it's going to be some occasion here on Friday, and yeah, expect the reaction, that's for sure.